Going on, everyone? I got a 2025 Hyundai Tucson here. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance reminder, the scheduled maintenance reminder, and the oil life reminder on this car you have here. What you're going to do is you're going to go over to the radio, and at the radio you need to slide over to the right, and it'll give you this screen here. And you're looking for setup. Okay. And then at setup you're looking for vehicle. Then you're going to go to convenience. And the convenience menu is where we're going to have service interval and oil change reminder, okay? So we're going to reset service interval. Yes. And then the oil change one, we'll do that here in a second. Okay, so we'll go back. Oil change reminder, reset. Yes. And it's that easy. So I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, or leave me a comment if you could, or even subscribe. I hope to see you again in another Hyundai video.